What's up, you guys? It's Zach with PCBros, and I am pretty hyped for this gaming chair that I get to build and review today. We have gotten this chair right here, the Razer Iskur V2, sent to us by Razer. So this isn't really a sponsor video, but they did send it to us to review. So I'm going to give my honest opinion on it based on many of the other gaming and ergo chairs that I built on this channel, which has been a decent amount. And a little spoiler, I already have it right here. I built it. So I'm going to walk through the whole process on what the unboxing was like, how the quality was, if it's comfortable, and the overall looks. So let me first break down the website listing here and go over some of the key features that this chair has to offer, because this chair is a little bit different than most gaming chairs. So let me go into the details and break it down. All right, so this is straight on the Razer website. This middle one with the green like accent, I believe, is the one that I just got sent. And one of the big key features that makes this a little bit different than all the other gaming chairs, makes it stand out, is this adaptive and adjustable lumbar support. So this is actually inside the chair, built in, and not like one of the external ones. This one actually has two knobs on either side, and you can adjust the height and how far out that lumbar support goes. I mean, a lot of this has the features that you'll find in pretty much any gaming chair, but I feel like the quality is going to be what separates this from a lot of the other ones I've reviewed. The memory foam head cushion, I mean, right now, it feels incredible. One of the best that I've felt for sure on gaming chairs, especially in this price range. So yeah, let's talk about that price range. So this is a $650 chair. It looks like on Amazon you can find it for about the same. So there's no like unique Amazon deals right now. $650 is pretty competitive for these chairs. It's a little bit more on the higher end, but gaming chairs like this are expensive. I can just tell you by the feel of it right now. I'll go into more detail in a second, but the quality is really good. This little collage of like short form vertical videos right here is actually pretty smart. It gives a really good idea on how this chair works. So let me tell you a little bit about the unboxing experience. It came in a very nicely branded Razer box. Right off the bat, the unboxing experience is already better than most of the gaming chairs, if not all of them, that I have reviewed on this channel. You are greeted with a little welcome card and some foam, and everything is very nicely packed and not just thrown in there. It's definitely given a lot more thought than most gaming chairs as well. They even have a cardboard box, like almost like a toolbox that you can open up, that has all of the stuff that you need in it. Now, one thing that was a little bit of user error, so it was definitely my fault, but I couldn't find the directions for the longest time. I thought they were going to be in the toolbox, but they were actually on the other side of that welcome card, which is kind of neat because you get a bigger one-page direction as far as build goes. This was just as easy as any other chair, really. Extremely easy. Might have taken me 20 minutes. The exact same process as any of the other chairs. The tool that they give you, this Allen wrench, is one of the nicer ones with the handle. I think I had to do maybe 6 screws, maybe 8. It was extremely easy, and I'll have the directions right here on the video as well. But as I was experiencing the unboxing for this chair, I was just noticing how different the quality was compared to some other chairs that I won't name, but you can find them on this channel, and how nice the parts felt. I usually don't like gaming chairs at all. It's been more popular to turn to more of the ergo chairs recently, but this one is not bad at all. I mean, I'm sitting in it right now and it feels really good. I kind of want to switch it for the one I have in my office. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, so quality right off the bat was really impressive. You can tell by the feel of the leather, even the handles right here. I don't know if you can see these on camera, but these feel so much better. I mean, it is a similar texture to pretty much all the handles that you'll see, but the smooth tracking on up and down just feels so good. I did not like the swivel on that last chair. I don't feel like there's any need to do a 360 swivel, basically. Yeah, let me get up actually and show you a couple features here. So this memory foam here, let me show the camera. This is extremely nice. This is the nicest headrest I've seen by far on any gaming chair. It is nice and squishy and soft. Most are this same material as the chair, so it's like leather. I just usually don't even put those on. It's minimal on the logos except for this top part, but you kind of, if you're a gamer, you want it to look a little Razer, you know. It's got the green trim around it, so the green and black combo looks really good. Overall, I would highly recommend this chair. If you're looking for a gaming chair and want it to be comfy and high quality, it's definitely worth the money. And I'm definitely not just saying that because they sent it to me. Again, it's not sponsored. We get stuff sent to us all the time, and sometimes we don't even want to make a video on it because it's not that exciting to us. But obviously for Razer, we wanted to make this video. Gaming chairs are one of those interesting products that you can very much, at least in my case, get one and be very disappointed. I would not recommend cheap gaming chairs from Amazon. I went down that route and it didn't go too well for me. I did not like that chair at all. If you are hard set on wanting a gaming chair specifically, this is a good place to look. Maybe if not this one, maybe there is some other Razer one that you would like. This has the quality, comfort, and easy build that every chair really should have, but this one just does it really well. So if you're interested in checking out more details or in the chair in general, there will be a link down below. And thank you all so much for watching this quick little video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.